James.
Yeah.
So we got on the ship like 3:30 was boarding, like I said. We got here at 1:30 and they're boarding the ship already. No lines. We just breezed right through. Woohoo! Yep, so we're here. Shout out to whoever posted on the Facebook group that Embarkation, they got, instead of being 3:30, they got on really quick, because getting on board today was like, wow, right? We just breezed through everything. It would probably took us from Uber to ship probably 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe if that, because our little legs can't move so fast. But but seriously, it was like so quick. So thank you. This is why you need to like find your Facebook, your cruise on a Facebook group and join it, because you'll get information like that. If we didn't know, we would have been waiting until 3:30. And what time is it now? 2?
I believe so.
It's like 2 and we've been on the boat.
2:05.
We've been on the boat for a half hour and we got our room already. We're all set. This is awesome. Yes. Cruise time. We already had my first drink. My home. It's walking through here and it almost scared me. I was like, what am I going to walk on? I love that. Hey, Jim.
Hey. What's happening?
We got here early, didn't we?
We did get here early.
I kind of like it, though. With the smaller ship.
I do too. Well, once we get like going and everything, we'll be able to see how full it's gonna get.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm concerned about is how full it'll get. Embarkation day, and that's my drink 3. But they accidentally put it on Jim, so it's only technically my second drink. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's good.